Good morning. I am Ganeshan, the proud Modicarian, and in today's video, this short video, we'll go through 12 must products to keep your home germ-free, clean, and hygienic. After COVID, we all have become very sensitive to having a safe environment, a clean environment. So without wasting much of the time, let's start and going deep into this short video. Okay, welcome. Let us see some of the most important products from Modicare, which are a must for a hygienic and a clean home. So first let us delve into our kitchen. We buy our fruits and vegetables and we prepare our food in kitchen, right? So most of the vegetables and fruits we get in the market are along with pesticides and etc., right? So in order to clean those vegetables, a wonderful product from Modicare is FruVeg. It is vegetable and fruits cleaner. It is soap-free formula, effectively washes away dirt, germs, waxes, bacteria, fungus and pesticides from your fruits and vegetables without leaving any residue or smell. You put a few drops of this FruVeg into water and clean away your vegetables, and you can get fresh vegetables. Next wonderful product from Modicare is again in the kitchen. It is Wonder Drop. It is a dishwasher. It is advanced formula with biodegradable surfactants. It cuts through stubborn grease and dried food residues. Washes up to 10,000 utensils per liter. That means it is very economical friendly, and it cleans stainless steel, non-stick cookware, melamoware, glassware, bone china and crockery. It's a wonderful product and it is very cost effective. Another one is MightyOne. It is a multi-purpose cleaner. This can be used as an excellent designed for every excellent cleaner designed for everyday use. This is scientifically advanced and ready to use everyday cleaner, removing up to 99.9% of germs, grease, oil, dust, organic oils, airborne odors and more without using harmful chemicals or producing toxic after effects. MightyOne employs microtechnology to protect surfaces. It helps in reducing the frequency of reoccurring and repeated cleaning challenges. In our kitchen we have the stove, right? And it will most of it will be the oil and everything. This is a wonderful product to clean our kitchen stove, gas stove and all the shelves which you have. Another product which is in our bathroom, that is TerryClean. It is a very powerful disinfectant cleaner. It is powerful and safe 3-in-1 cleaner. It is a disinfectant, it is a sanitizer. It is perfect for cleaning and sanitizing every nook and corner of your home. Cleans and disinfects all kinds of surface, floors, walls, kitchen countertop, sinks, bed frames, bathrooms, shower cubicles, telephones, etc. Kills household germs, fungi and a wide range of bacteria. A very economical product that can make up to 500 liters of disinfecting solution from a 500 ml concentrate. A wonderful product, and at the same time it's very cost effective. Another one is Beyond Blue from Modicare. It's a powerful toilet cleaner. It makes your toilet clean, germ free and hygienically fresh in just 90 seconds. It has a unique color changing formula showing the product working. Convenient and easy to use, and it comes with a child lock. It's a wonderful product. And another is Spick and Span. So which removes scale and bathroom cleaner. It's a very powerful, formula. Instantly removes lime scale and stubborn dirt deposits like magic from bathroom surfaces, tap fittings caused by hard water, soap, and grime. It's a must product from every home. And then we have HD floor cleaner, which is for heavy duty floor cleaning, powerful and safe, that removes toughest of dirt deposits and stubborn stains from dirty floors, floor corners, skirting, lobby, entrance, corridors, car porches, etc. Suitable for all kinds of floors and good for high traffic areas. It's also a must for every home. And then we have a Sparkle, which is a glass cleaner with anti-fog effect. It's an advanced anti-fog biosafe formula that prevents buildup of fog or mist on the glass surface. Made from coconut oil derivatives, the glass cleaner has a powerful cleaning action. It is a biodegradable cleaning agent, ideal for cutting through grease, grime, stains, and film buildup on windows, glass, and mirrors. It cleans without a streak and clears glass without leaving any residue. A highly concentrated economical pack that can make up to 4 500 ml dilution bottles, free from phosphates, harmful bleaching agents, acid, and alkali. It has also a refreshing fragrance, and again, this is a very cost effective solution. And then we have Dool multi-purpose cleaner for cleaning. It's a liquid organic cleaner with coconut oil derivatives, safe and gentle, cleans all washable surfaces from infant clothes to industrial machinery, removes common household stains. Again, it's a very cost effective product. And SteriProtect, this is a disinfectant spray which makes every surface germ proof with ready to use Modicare SteriProtect multi-surface disinfectant spray that effectively kills various illness causing germs. It is 99.9% effective against viruses and bacteria within 5 minutes of contact time and gives protection for 24 hours by creating a protective layer on the surfaces. It is made from organic ingredients and is perfect for both hard and soft surfaces. Again, it's a must product for keeping our home sterilized. Next is silver dip. We have our silver utensils, silver items in our puja ramals, right? So this product is a wonderful product for cleaning silver without silver loss. It instantly cleans old and tarnished silver articles, giving them a brand new look, convenient and very easy to use. Next, again, in the puja room, we need to have agarbatti for great fragrance, right? So we have premium handcrafted agarbattis containing a blend of essential oils that gives a mystic aroma when burned and takes you through a spiritual journey. For fragrances as pure as your devotion. Comes in 4 different fragrances. Now, let us do a cost analysis for keeping your home clean and hygienic for 3 months. So, all these products I have mentioned how much quantity you may require and what is the MRP and what is the DP. DP means distributor price. It is a price at which a registered customer gets the product from Modicare. So you can see there is a difference between MRP and DP. So there is a discount given to them, and then there is something called as BV. So let us see, the total is MRP is 3132. If you become a registered customer in Modicare, you get all these products for 2691, a whopping discount of 441, and a business volume of 1087. So if your total benefit is, total discount is 441, free products is 300, and cash 7% of our business volume is given to your bank account as subsidy. So total benefit is 817. You also become eligible for 6 months and 12 months loyalty bonus worth rupees 750 per month of free products, making the profit to 1567. That is, you pay 2691 and get a return of 1561, a whopping 58.2% return for just changing your brand. It comes with 100% money back guarantee. They are of international quality products. They are very affordable, and discount you get discount, free products, cash incentives, bonuses for lifetime, all by just giving your KYC and getting registered. So how to buy these products? I have given the link in the description. You can check in that. And so, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen the 12 products of Modicare, which is a reputed company. And these all products, if you use, can keep your house very clean and hygienic and sterilized. This will happen only when you buy it, use it, right? As they say, मेरे घर में तो मोदी केयर आया, आपका घर में आया. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and bye bye. Take care.